Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name without changing your Gmail name. This is the 2026 update and it still works. It's super simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't break anything accidentally. So first, go ahead and sign in to your YouTube account. Just use your regular Gmail login, and don't worry, we're not touching your Gmail name at all. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the top right corner and choose your channel. This opens your channel page where the name change actually happens. Now look for the Customize Channel button and click it. That'll take you straight into YouTube Studio, specifically the customization area. Inside YouTube Studio, head to the Basic Info tab. Here you'll see your current channel name. Click the little pencil icon next to it. Type your new channel name, whatever you want your viewers to see. And just so you know, this change only affects YouTube. Your Gmail name stays exactly the same. That's the whole trick here. Once you're happy with the name, hit publish in the top right corner. Your new YouTube channel name updates almost instantly. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute. And that's it. You've changed your YouTube channel name without touching your Gmail identity. It's a clean way to rebrand your channel, especially if you're testing new content ideas. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next guide.